QW-420 base metal groupings. P numbers are alphanumeric designations. Accordingly, each P number shall be considered a separate P number, e.g., base metals assigned P5A are considered a separate P number from those assigned P5B or P5C. In addition, ferrous base metals have been assigned group numbers, creating subsets of P numbers that are used when WPSs are required to be qualified by toughness testing by other sections or codes. These assignments are based essentially on comparable base metal characteristics, such as composition, weldability, brazeability, and mechanical properties, where this can logically be done. These assignments do not imply that base metals may be indiscriminately substituted for a base metal that was used in the qualification test without consideration of compatibility from the standpoint of metallurgical properties, post-weld heat treatment, design, mechanical properties, and service requirements. The values given in the column heading, minimum specified tensile, of table QW-422 are the acceptance values for the tensile tests of the welding or brazing procedure qualification, except as otherwise allowed in QW-153 or QB-153. Only base metals listed in table QW-422 with minimum tensile strength values may be used for procedure qualification except as modified by the following paragraph. The following table shows the assignment groups for various alloy systems. Steel and steel alloys, for welding, P1 through P15F, for brazing, P101 through P103. Aluminum and aluminum base alloys, for welding P21 through P26, for brazing, P104 and P105. Copper and copper base alloys, for welding, P31 through P35, for brazing, P107 and P108. Nickel and nickel base alloys, for welding P41 through P49, for brazing, P110 through P112. Titanium and titanium base alloys, for welding, P51 through P53, for brazing, P115. Zirconium and zirconium base alloys, for welding P61 and P62, for brazing, P117. If an unlisted base metal has the same UNS number designation as a base metal listed in table QW-422, that base metal is also assigned that P number or P number plus group number. If the unlisted base metal is used for procedure qualification, the minimum tensile value of the listed base metal shall apply for the tension test specimens. Materials listed in table QW-422 without a minimum specified tensile value shall not be used for the purpose of groove weld procedure qualification. Material produced under an ASTM specification shall have the same P number or P number plus group number and minimum specified tensile strength value as that of the corresponding ASME specification listed in table QW-422 with prefix ASA or BSB, e.g., listed under ASA-240 SA 240 type 304 is assigned P08. Group number 1, and a 240 type 304 is also P08, group number 1. The column, ISO/TR 15608 group, in table QW-422 is a listing of the assignments of materials in accordance with the grouping criteria of ISO/TR 15608-2005, welding, guidelines for a metallic materials grouping system, and it is consistent with the assignments found in ISO/TR 20173, 2008, grouping systems for materials, American materials. While this listing is provided as a convenience to users worldwide, it is provided for information only. Section 9 does not refer to this grouping as a basis for establishing the range of base metals qualified for either procedure or performance qualification. In 2009, S numbers were removed from table QW-420. S numbers were assigned to materials that were acceptable for use by the ASME B31 code for pressure piping, or by selected boiler and pressure vessel code cases, but which were not included within ASME boiler and pressure vessel code material specifications. Section 2. Base metals previously assigned S numbers were reassigned the corresponding P numbers or P numbers plus group numbers. There are instances where materials assigned to one P or S number or group number have been reassigned to a different P or S number or group number in later editions. Procedure and performance qualifications that were qualified under the previous P or S numbers or group number assignment may continue to be used under the new P number or group number assignment. See QW-200.2. C. Provided the WPS is revised to limit the materials qualified for welding to those assigned to the new P or S number, S, and group number, S, for the specific material, S, originally used for the procedure qualification test coupon. Other materials from the original P or S number and group number must be reassigned to the same P or S number or group number to be considered qualified for welding under the revised WPS.